The daily intraday review is proudly brought to you by our visual trade journal. It's software for price action traders. It's a visual trade journal, meaning you can drag and drop right on your chart, rate your outcomes, rate your predictions, all on the chart. It's different than anything that's out there. Come and check us out at intradayreview.com. Okay, so this is the London session from yesterday. This is the 3-minute chart. We'll jump up to the 15-minute chart just to see how this channel formed. So we'll come up here and we can see that we had a bigger channel and we had a failed second entry long. Of course, you're expecting a test of the channel high after a break, and this failed. So first entry long, second entry long failure occurred, and we've created a channel down. So in our lower time frame, which is what I trade, we're looking to go short, and we are looking to create a wedge. So you would be drawing your wedge line. Another thing, while I'm watching the price action, I'm looking for any type of overshoot to look for a range, so you can get your range in early. Even though that's a tiny bit of an overshoot, it's still going to cause some sort of pullback. In this case, it creates a channel up, and there's a failure when it tries to attempt to break out. Very hard to take that trade. We're also in rangy price action, so we're expecting 2 legs to fail. So you want to take your second entry. At this stage, you should be able to draw your range line to the top of the range. So the range started at this corner after this overshoot here. You should be able to pull your range up to the top. We're looking for a double top, some sort of failure breakout that occurs here on the second overshoot. Which is also a double top. It's also a breakout of a range. It's also hitting the top of the channel. There are a lot of positives in this area for your trade. We're then looking maybe for a retest of the lows. We get a retest of the lows, but there's no clear overshoot here, a slight overshoot causing just a pullback. Of course, you're going to take the second entry, the double top entry. We're just above the midline at this point, so it is still safe to take this trade, but of course you want to exit for a scalp. We're also in a trading range, so we're exiting for scalps. By this stage, you should already have your channel drawn, and you should be looking for 3 tests down before you even look to start to go long. So at this stage, we get a breakout, and we hit the bottom channel line. We then reverse up. This could be a trade. You could take this as a failed breakout. It comes back up. We get a first entry down. We get a failure along this wedge again, and we can take that trade down to the bottom. We've also got gaps forming. You can see that it never came back up. So all traders going long here, there's clearly not coming back to them. So we're still looking for this third push down here. This is your target. We can take the second entry, and we head on down. You can also take this trade because we've had a breakout pullback, so that is a breakout pullback, and you can take that trade for a scalp down to the lows, and we've also got another channel forming here. The ending bar was a really great trade. It's at the end of the London session. We get a spike up. We've got a third push down. We've got a break of the bigger channel. This green channel is a very big channel. We're right on the edge of it. We're expecting rejection and to cross over to the other channel or a breakout of this channel. We get a strong spike. There is an opportunity here to go long. It's very hard to take these trades because the bars are so big and the volatility. But if you're lucky enough, you would have had a really great night yesterday. If you would like to get access to this screenshot and many more screenshots of the London session and my analysis every day and the trades that I take every day, please visit and join intradayreview.com. I send an invite out every week or so to new members to join a free trading den where you can watch others trade price action in the styles of Al Brooks, Lance Beggs, Mack from Pats, and many other price action styles. Sign up today. It's free to join our trading den. It's free to use our software. Pro is better, but it's free to join, free to use. See you there. Bye.